Hello friends. So it is a new day. It is our last day here in Guam. I got a call from General RV and they actually started to order the parts and everything, like the new stabilizers that I need. The new stabilizer jacks that I need. I actually need two because I messed two out of the four up really bad. One they can just easily fix, but two of them they need two new ones, so that's cool. So yeah, Tamara will be ready soon, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end the trip when it was actually scheduled to end, which is the 7th. So yeah, I fly out tomorrow, y'all. So what I'm gonna do today, ooh, it's a little, well, it's not messy like that, it's just my purse and a little sweater. But what I'm gonna do today is take you guys on the little trolley. I purchased a pass and I'm like, well, I might as well just, you know, ride it out. And I think it takes you for the most part almost around the island. So hopefully I'll be able to get a, like, what do you call it, window seat. If not, you know, I'll just wait till people get off and then I'll just take one of the seats for the people who, you know, actually by the window. So I haven't eaten anything yet. It is like 11:30ish, so I'm gonna go back to that cafe that I went to a few days ago and get me a cute little latte ice situation, so I can have that for the little drive. And then I don't know, if I see something I'll just go ahead and jump out and then we'll have lunch. But I'm feeling cute. Let me go ahead and show y'all, like, my skin. I don't know if it's the humidity or whatever it may be, like just being up under the sun and stuff, but my skin has been flourishing here. But I also been like using cocoa butter and shea butter, so you know, that too. But let me show y'all what I'm wearing for today. Oh, I don't want this flash on. Let's turn it off. All right, so I have my cute little skirt situation. This was from a two-piece set. Shorts, but I didn't feel like wearing shorts, and some sandals. So yeah, this is gonna be the look today. We're gonna be out in these streets, y'all. Gonna go ahead and see how much we can see on the island. All right, so let's go get some coffee. Y'all, it's raining. Still want that latte. And they still gonna do the trolley. They have like these little things that you can like to cover the window and stuff, but it's gonna be all humid and stuff in there if people just inside. It's like plastic that goes over the windows of the trolley thingies. I don't know. Is it stopping? Let me go outside, y'all. It looked like it just kind of stopped. I do want that latte. Did I say I was gonna go get an oat milk latte? Because I was just talking to Instagram and I don't know if I said it. But yeah, I'm about to go get an oat milk latte. Iced. Let's go.
Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.
I don't know, y'all. If I want to do this little trolley ride, it should be here in like 7 minutes or so. I don't want to stay inside all day. I don't know if this was going to the mall or the outlet, but I just wanted to drive around. So, I don't know. I'm kind of sad. That's what I get for waiting to the last minute to take the trolley ride, but I just really was jet lagged. Like the first week and some change that I was here, I had no energy. Like I could barely stay up the whole day. But this week I was able to stay up, you know, during the day, and it sucks because it's my last week, but you know, I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully they have the little plastic things down, and maybe I can get me a seat closer to the front. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do it. I'm gonna just do it. Hopefully it don't rain too hard. I do have an umbrella, so we'll see. I'm going back to the room. I'm gonna start packing. Turn on some music, start packing, even though I look cute, whatever. I don't know. Wrong way. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go back and start packing up the room, and then hopefully it clears up outside. And then I'll be able to try it again, go out and explore. Yeah, I just don't want to be outside and it's all wet and sticky. No. I don't have on no makeup either, but I'm still not trying to be wet. Like,
You really be shine from the inside. Cause they ain't really who they say on the outside.
Had to switch up the outfit, y'all. It is still raining outside and I'm starving, so I'm gonna jump on a trolley. I don't care, it's only 1.5 miles that I need to go to, but it's like this shrimp restaurant. Either I'm gonna do the shrimp place or the Jamaican place. I've heard good things about both, so I'm like, ooh, I don't know which one I want. This is the outfit. Just gonna be comfortable out in these streets because we finna eat.
Hey, poppin' like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I'm into. Hit the ground running like the rent do. Speak a little something that you're into. I ain't tryna hear about what you been through. Like hold up, say what's the hold up. I got the pack, who got the roll up. I'm tryna pull up. It seem like every time I show up, it gotta go up. See the drip, they see the.
So they have completely different trolleys when it rains. Duh. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm gonna eat, go grab some souvenirs for the family, and then I'm just gonna sit on the trolley and just kind of ride it out. My battery is pretty decent, so yeah, might as well, right?
I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Seem like they doing the most for the clout. Did what I said so they know what I'm about. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Ay, winning like I ought to. I ain't wanna do it, but I got to. Smoking what my doctor told me not to. Got these wishing they was hot too. Ballin' like I need to. Got my exes wishing for a redo. Smell the marijuana when I speed through. Hit her with a tip, that's a preview. Hold up, wait up, get your weight up. Shit, get your money, not your hate up. Boy, draw a play up. I flip my wrist, it a layup. She wanna lay up. I gotta get it, I'ma stay up. I'm all the way up. I got my pay up. I ain't playing with you. I'm a coach now. Commentate.
Food was yummy, and I either have 15 minutes or 18 minutes to look inside this ABC store for souvenirs for my sister and my nephew and stuff. So I will be sitting on the trolley, just taking it around. So it doesn't matter which one I decide to get onto. So here's the store. Oh yeah, I can get me a latte. I hope they got oat milk, because I don't want to upset stomach. Hello. Super and cold in here. Back to the hotel. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start packing up for real this time. I'm getting a little sleepy. Hopefully the latte helped. I've drank it all, so maybe start packing up. So there is this karaoke spot for tonight. So I think if I pack up, you know, and then depending on how I feel, maybe do a song. Who knows? I don't know. Probably not, being honest. I don't know. Yeah, I'm getting a little sleepy. It's close to 6 o'clock though, or it might actually be 6 p.m. now at this point. But this trip is coming to an end, y'all. It's kind of like a bittersweet thing. Like, this trip has not been all sunshine, unicorns, and rainbows. And now, I don't know, I might fill y'all in eventually, but I'm still processing what all took place on this trip. But yeah, friends, I'm ready to see Jada baby, for sure, ready to see my girl. But let me check in to the room. 5:26. My birthday is 5:24, so I was pretty close to my birthday. But yeah, let me check in. I just got so tired looking at this room. Like, I've been here the least amount of time, but I just have more stuff everywhere now compared to the other room. This room is like way bigger than the other one, and I think that's probably why everything is kind of like everywhere. I like really moved into this place, so this is gonna suck. I'm gonna have to really turn on some music and start doing this. My flight leaves out 12 something tomorrow, so literally I'm trying to be to the airport maybe like at 10 o'clock or so, because I still have access to the United Club and stuff, so I can get there at a decent time and just kind of like chill out before the flight. I don't have to rush or anything. But y'all, I got so many clothes every which way. I am not looking forward to cleaning up or, you know, packing up all my stuff, but let me go ahead and do it. I'm not gonna show y'all because this is no point whatsoever. So I'm gonna catch y'all later this evening. Hopefully we be at a karaoke spot, but don't hold your breath, friends. Don't hold your breath. Friends, it is 12:24. So I did not go to karaoke because the little trolley thing actually stopped running around like 8 o'clock. So I would have had to like get a taxi back and just, So I just decided to like stay in and pack and get everything ready. So basically I'm good to go. Like tomorrow when I wake up, all I gotta do is like, you know, brush my teeth and stuff and then put that stuff away. But I'm basically like packed up. Ooh, y'all, I'm about to leave this place. Like, I most definitely gonna miss the views, but I'm so ready to like, you know, get Tamara back, see Jada baby, of course, and just like be up in my own space again. So yeah, I think I'm gonna let y'all go, and then I'm gonna pick y'all up in the airplane situation. Y'all, I got a 12-hour like, I think the first flight is like 2 hours and some change, and then from like Tokyo to Japan, it's like 12 out from Tokyo to Japan. From Tokyo, Japan to Houston, Texas, it's like 12 hours, y'all. So that's gonna be fun. That's the longest flight I've ever like in my life. So yeah, and then after that, like I got a 5-hour layover in Houston, and then I think like another 4 hours or something like that to Virginia. But it's gonna be cray cray. But y'all gonna be able to see and hear all about it in the next video. So this is where I'm gonna let you guys go, my friends. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for like being here for this like random Guam trip. But yeah, I love y'all so much. I'm finna go, y'all. Good night. Bye.